Julia. I work in the aquatics department at Thornley and Thornhill Pool. Today I'm going to be walking you through a healthy recipe. It's called Tasty Italian Quinoa. So first I'll take you through a run through of the ingredients. I'm also going to leave the ingredients in the comment section below. So the benefits of quinoa. It has high fiber, high protein, and it has all the 9 essential amino acids. So to start, we have oil, chopped onion, minced garlic. Here we have peeled tomatoes. You can also use diced tomatoes. This is a large can, so make sure you measure out how much you need. Otherwise, your tasty quinoa is going to be too liquidy.
And what can you make with the other peeled tomatoes that you have left over? Okay.
Okay, so here we have ground chicken, or you can use also ground turkey, basil, thanks to the plant behind us, salt, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, quinoa. Now the way I wash this is you keep washing it until the water comes out clear, and 4 cups of spinach. Now if you don't have any vegetable stock in the house, that's okay. This is 2.5 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of Agitate, and you mix it. Okay, so over medium and high heat, you're gonna pour in your oil, onion, garlic, and your ground turkey or ground chicken. I'm going to continue to do this for about 6 minutes until my ground turkey or ground chicken is thoroughly cooked. Okay, now you can see the ground chicken or ground turkey is thoroughly cooked, so I'm going to add in my peeled tomatoes. Next, my basil, vegetable stock, so now is the time to mash the tomatoes and do a light stir. Okay, once that's all done, now you're going to add in the quinoa. And you're going to mix until you bring this to a boil. I forgot to add the salt. Now would be a good time. And stir. Continue to smash the tomatoes and mix as this comes to a boil. As you can see, it has come to a boil, so I'm going to reduce my heat and put on the lid and my timer for 20 minutes. Now you're going to add in Parmesan cheese. Give it a stir.
How does it smell, Julia?
Fantastic. I can't wait to eat it. Now you're going to add in your spinach in bunches.
Without dirtying the stove?
Hopefully. And stir. Now, after all the spinach has been added, keep mixing it until it's wilted.
How long should that take, Julia?
Less than a minute.
Exactly.
Okay, once it's done, you're going to add in all the mozzarella. And you're going to turn off the stove. Okay, now with the mozzarella all over and spread all over the quinoa, you're going to put this in the oven under broil for 2 minutes. Alexa, 2-minute timer. 2 minutes. So this is the finished product. Look how amazing that looks.
Look at that face.
I'm hungry.
How does it taste?
Fantastic.
Why? Because you made it?
Yes. Thank you everybody for joining me today. Please stay home, stay safe. Let me know what you think of today's video in the comment section below. Have a nice day.